Welcome to Boston. Boston is a big city in the United States. It is in the state of Massachusetts. Many people visit Boston every year. This city is old, beautiful, and full of history. If you are learning English, Boston is a good place to visit. There are many things to see, do, and eat here. In this guide, you will learn about some of the best places in Boston, fun things to do, and tasty foods to try. Let's start your adventure. Boston is famous for its history. It is one of the oldest cities in America. You can see old buildings and learn about important events. Many people come to Boston to visit historical places. One of the most famous places is the Freedom Trail. The Freedom Trail is a red line on the ground. You can walk along this line and see important sights. The trail is about 4 kilometers long. Along the way, you will see old churches, meeting houses, and parks. You can also visit museums and monuments. The Freedom Trail is a good way to learn about Boston's history. You can walk by yourself or join a group tour. Another great place to visit is Boston Common. Boston Common is a big park in the city center. It is the oldest public park in America. People come here to relax, walk, and enjoy nature. You can see green grass, trees, and flowers. In the summer, you can have a picnic or listen to music in the park. In the winter, you can go ice skating on the pond. Boston Common is a good place for families and friends. Close to Boston Common is the Public Garden. The Public Garden is a beautiful park with many flowers. There is a small lake in the garden. You can ride on the famous swan boats. These boats look like swans. They move slowly across the water. The swan boats are a favorite for children and adults. In spring and summer, the garden is full of color and life. If you like shopping, you can go to Newbury Street. Newbury Street is famous for its shops, cafes, and restaurants. You can find clothes, books, gifts, and more. There are many places to eat and drink. The street is busy and exciting. People from all over the world come to Newbury Street to shop and enjoy the city. Boston also has many interesting neighborhoods. One famous neighborhood is the North End. The North End is Boston's oldest area. It is famous for Italian food. You can walk along small streets and smell pizza and pasta. There are many Italian restaurants and bakeries. Try a cannoli, a sweet pastry with cream. The North End is a good place for dinner and dessert. Another interesting neighborhood is Chinatown. Chinatown is full of color and energy. You can try Chinese food, visit shops, and see decorations. Many people come to Chinatown for lunch or dinner. There are many good restaurants here. You can try noodles, dumplings, and rice dishes. Chinatown is also near Boston Common, so it is easy to visit. Boston is famous for seafood. Seafood means fish and other animals from the sea. One popular food is clam chowder. Clam chowder is a soup with clams, potatoes, and cream. Many restaurants serve clam chowder. Another famous food is lobster roll. A lobster roll is a sandwich with lobster and bread. It is tasty and special. You can also try fried clams and fish and chips. These foods are fresh and delicious in Boston. For breakfast, many people go to cafes or bakeries. You can try bagels, muffins, or pancakes. There are many small coffee shops in the city. You can drink coffee or tea and watch people go by. For lunch, try a sandwich or salad. For dinner, you can eat seafood, Italian food, Chinese food, or American food. There are restaurants for every taste and budget. Boston is also a city of learning. There are many famous schools and universities here. Harvard University is one of the most famous. It is in Cambridge, near Boston. You can visit the campus and see old buildings. There are also museums at Harvard. The Massachusetts Institute of Technology, or MIT, is also in Cambridge. Many students from all over the world study here. If you like art and culture, visit the Museum of Fine Arts. This museum has paintings, sculptures, and objects from many countries. You can see art from America, Europe, Asia, and Africa. The museum is big, so you can spend many hours here. Another good museum is the Boston Science Museum. Here, you can learn about science, technology, and animals. There are many fun activities for children and adults. Sport is important in Boston. The city has famous teams. The Boston Red Sox is the baseball team. They play at Fenway Park. Fenway Park is a very old stadium. You can watch a baseball game and eat a hot dog. The Boston Celtics is the basketball team. The Boston Bruins is the ice hockey team. Many people in Boston love sports. If you have time, watch a game and cheer for the team. Boston is easy to walk. Many places are close together. You can use the subway, called the T, to travel around the city. The T is fast and simple. You can buy a ticket and ride to different neighborhoods. If you want to see the city from the water, try a boat tour. You can see the skyline and learn about Boston's history. If you want to buy souvenirs, there are many shops in Boston. You can buy postcards, t-shirts, and small gifts. Quincy Market is a good place for shopping. Quincy Market is a big building with many food stalls and shops. You can eat, shop, and watch street performers. Boston can be cold in winter and warm in summer. Bring a coat if you visit in winter. Bring comfortable shoes for walking. Many people in Boston speak English, but they are friendly and helpful to visitors. If you do not understand, you can ask for help. People will try to help you. Boston is a city with something for everyone. You can learn about history, enjoy nature, eat delicious food, and meet new people. If you are a beginner in English, do not worry. You can practice English in shops, restaurants, and museums. You will have fun and learn new things. Remember to take pictures and enjoy your time in Boston. Try new foods, walk in the parks, and visit interesting places. Boston is waiting for you. Have a wonderful trip and enjoy this amazing city.